Hey everyone, Mame here. Let's talk about explosive business growth, the kind that takes your brand to the next level. Ever heard of affiliate marketing? It's a game changer. In this video, we're diving deep into the world of affiliate marketing, giving you a complete playbook to launch your own successful program. Whether you're a seasoned entrepreneur or just starting, this guide will equip you with the knowledge and tools to supercharge your business growth. So buckle up, get ready to learn, and let's turn your business into a powerhouse. Let's break down what affiliate marketing is. It's a performance-based strategy. You pay affiliates for results, sales, leads, or traffic. It's a win-win partnership. The merchant offers a product or service, the affiliate promotes it to their audience, and the customer makes it all happen. Many use affiliate networks to streamline the process. They connect merchants with eager affiliates. Before launching your affiliate program, we need to talk goals. Do you want to see your sales skyrocket or build brand awareness and get people talking? Affiliate marketing can help you achieve all of that. Focus on customer acquisition or lead generation. Defining your goals up front is like setting your GPS for success. Let's talk money, how your affiliates earn their piece of the pie. This is where your affiliate program model comes in. The most popular model is pay-per-sale. Affiliates earn a commission for every sale they bring in. Pay-per-lead rewards affiliates for delivering qualified leads. Pay-per-click pays based on referral link clicks. Choose a model that aligns with your goals and motivates affiliates. Chapter 4. Choosing the right affiliate platform. To make your affiliate marketing journey smooth sailing, you'll need the right tools. This is where affiliate platforms and networks come in. They act as your command center, providing everything you need to manage your program effectively. But with so many options out there, how do you choose the right one? Consider your budget, the platform's features like tracking, payment processing, and fraud detection, and ease of use. Do your research, compare different platforms, and select the one that best fits your needs and budget. Chapter 5. Building your affiliate program from the ground up. It's time to roll up our sleeves and start building your affiliate program. Outline the program details, including commission structure, payment frequency, and cookie window. Create your affiliate terms and policies. Ensure everyone is on the same page. Design eye-catching promotional materials. Think banners, images, logos, email templates. Chapter 6. Recruiting your affiliate dream team. Now that your affiliate program is up and running, it's time to assemble your team of superstar affiliates. Start by identifying potential partners who align with your niche and target audience. Reach out to bloggers, influencers, industry websites, review sites, and even your existing customers. Personalize your outreach, highlighting the benefits of joining your program. Once you've recruited your affiliates, provide them with top-notch onboarding and support. This includes training on your products or services, a dedicated affiliate manager, and clear communication channels. Outro ready to unleash the power of affiliate marketing. Congratulations! You've reached the end of our crash course on affiliate marketing. You're now armed with the knowledge and tools to launch and grow your own successful program. Remember, affiliate marketing is a marathon, not a sprint. It takes time and effort to build relationships with your affiliates and optimize your program for maximum results. Don't forget to hit that like button, share this video with your network, and subscribe to our channel for more business boosting insights.